Welcome to South Australia. Yippee! Woohoo!
G'day.
Hi everyone and welcome to our next episode. We are currently sitting in the Sunken Garden here at Mount Gambier and it's just beautiful. Look at all the flowers and the tree ferns. Got some stairs up there for you to come down in the garden. It's just stunning.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Apparently these sinkholes are formed when the limestone's eaten away and the ground drops. There's a few of them around this area.
Yeah.
And this one was turned into a garden many years ago when it was on a person's property. Now it's in a park.
Yeah.
So we thought this would be a perfect location for our next episode. We're going to be heading along the South Australian coastline, heading towards Adelaide.
Yeah.
We're going to stop off at Robe.
Yeah.
Going to go and visit the old German town of Hahndorf.
Yep.
And end up over at Victor Harbour.
Yes.
It's a beautiful spot as well. So come along with us.
Yes, and we'll show you the sights and everything like that.
Yeah, it's going to be a good one.
It will be. Yes.
We found him.
We sure did.
Larry the Lobster.
And look at him. He's so big.
Ha ha ha. Hate to disappoint you,
What's
because
that?
I know you love lobster,
I know.
but he's not real.
No, that's
He's
a
not
shame.
real. No. Apparently it was constructed in 1979 and he's made of steel, foam and fiberglass. And apparently recently he's just had a coat of paint rejuvenated him, so pretty good. It's pretty big.
Yes.
Larry the Lobster here at Kingston SE, South Australia. Well, Natty,
Yes,
just enjoyed some fish and chips in there.
we sure did.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Flathead.
Yes, it was nice. And a pineapple fritter.
Oh, it was beautiful.
Yum.
So we're just standing here under Larry.
Yes.
We read some bit more information, and guess what?
Yes.
Larry was voted number one
Yes.
in 2021 as the big thing
Yes.
of the big things.
Yes.
So he's number one here in Australia.
Yes.
Now also, there was a poster in there, which I'll put up, and it shows the location of all big things in Australia.
Yeah, it does.
So the ones that we're normally used to is the big pineapple, the big banana.
Yeah, they're in New South Wales.
Yeah, big pineapple, I think it's in Queensland.
Yeah.
Anyway, as we travel around, guess what? Another mission now.
Yes.
Got to find all big things that we come across.
I think we're going to see the rocking horse too.
Yes.
The big rocking horse.
Yes, that's north of Adelaide.
Yes.
So, and to mark this memorable occasion,
yes, I got a magnet.
fish magnet and a stubby holder.
Yay.
Couldn't help myself.
No.
So anyway, that's got the coffee.
Yes.
And we'll head off and
Yes.
go to Mount Barker.
Correct.
So it's all going good.
From the Hahndorf sweet shop.
How good's that?
It's great.
Hey, Natty.
Yes.
You know how you like rocking horses? You've always wanted to collect one.
Yes.
Well, I've found one that you might be able to take home.
Okay.
Not sure if it'll fit with the boat on the ram, but we'll give it our best shot. So we've come across this rocking horse. It's not too big.
No.
It's only 18 metres tall.
Yes.
Weighs 25 tonne.
Yeah.
And apparently you can climb it. Yeah. How good is that? So where are we?
We're in Gambier.
Right, in the Adelaide Hills.
Yes.
And we found another one of those big things.
And it's the world's biggest rocking horse.
No way.
Yes.
How good's that? It's massive. Oh, we'll see if we can go up it. It's also here at the, there's a toy factory here as well. So just looking at some of the stats. It's built entirely of steel, anchored in over 80 tonnes of concrete set in rock. Total weight of the structure is 25 tonnes. The height to the top of the head is 18.3 metres or 60 feet. 34 feet or 10.5 metres in length. So not only can you admire this rocking horse, you can actually climb it too.
You can climb it.
So for $2, we can go for a little walk up the stairs. What do you reckon, Eddie?
Oh yeah, it's good. I come up to the rocky part, but I am not going up here.
Why's that?
Look up there. It goes all the way up there.
All I can say is, let's go. There you go, we're in his head. How good's this? It's all very stable, it's all made of steel. Was it? 25 metres high or something? Not sure. We're on top of the big rocking horse. Great view. What have you found, Natty?
Melba's chocolate
It looks so good, doesn't it?
factory.
In a basket. Yep. We're just cruising around the Adelaide Hills district, and we've come into Woodside, and we've stumbled across the Melba's chocolate factory, and wow! Let's go and check this one out. It is amazing. Definitely going to try some sheep nuts.
Yes.
Which one shall I choose? Lots and lots. I didn't know there was so many different variety of sheep nuts.
Milk chocolate scorched
Yes.
peanuts. Milk chocolate sultana chocs.
I suppose there's lots of different types of sheeps out there, so therefore there's a lot of different types of sheep nuts.
Yeah.
Hey Natty,
What?
over there
Yes.
We have the sheep nuts.
Yes.
Now, to stay in the farm theme.
Yep, we're at the cow patch.
Cow patch. So many different varieties.
I know.
And again, I suppose there are lots of different cows, so
Yes.
there are lots of different
Cow patch.
cow pats. What have you got there, Natty?
A hot chocolate from Melbourne.
And a marshmallow.
How nice. Put your marshmallow in. And then you lick the lid. Like that.
Yum. How did you go?
Fantastic.
2 bags.
2 bags. I got some great things.
Very good.
Fantastic shop.
Wasn't it? Well, we're just here at Mount Barker. We've gone for a walk this afternoon. We actually read in one of the things to do here in the Adelaide Hills is to find the old tunnel that goes under the highway. It's the old railway line tunnel. And during our walk this afternoon,
We found it.
yeah, we found the railway line heading towards the freeway and thought,
Yeah.
I wonder. And yes, here it is.
Yes.
So it's the old railway line tunnel that was built when I suppose the trains were running,
Yeah.
and the highway from Murray Bridge into Adelaide was built
Yeah.
over the top of it. But now the railway line's discontinued, and it's now just this beautiful tunnel that you can discover.
How much fun was that?
was
Finding
awesome.
that tunnel.
Wasn't it great?
It was fantastic.
Yep. That's so good.